Hi guys, welcome to Get New Software Solution. Today I will tell you about some free certificate courses to you which is provided by Government of India, and I will tell you which websites provides you the free courses and how to register to enroll that course. And first of all we have to go to the Google and in search bar type Startup India. Now we can see the website startupindia.gov.in. Gov.in is the government registered domain name, and go through this link. It will take some time because it has so many traffic. Yeah, see here, this is the website of Startup India. Here the 4,06,023 users on our portal, and 32,597 startups are recognized through this website. And these are the notice board of this website. These are the schemes and benefits to startups, and these are the tools and resources for startups. And these are the newses startups which is posted by startups and Government of India. These are the blogs. Here you can see the queries. What is the startup India, and what are the benefits provided under startup schemes? These are the features of this website. And come to our topic, go to under resources and click on learning button. Here we see the courses. These are the online courses for entrepreneurs. Access an array of courses made available for startup of all stages. Here, see the Startup India L&D means Learning and Development Program by Upgrades. Upgrade is a e-learning platforms. It provides all courses through online. It gives free certificate courses or paid certificate courses also. And and you have to know first of all, Startup India it is not a e-learning platform. It gives you to it can combine all e-learning platforms for students only, because we are in corona crisis. That's why it gives e-learning platforms, and some platforms gives only free certificates, and some are not gives you free certificates, only gives free online course. And here the upgrade gives free certificates to you. And this is the Startup India L&D programming by upgrades, and click that link and go to that page. Here we can see the page and the Startup in India learning program. This is the 4 weeks duration period, and it is in online. It is also free. It is available in two languages, is English and Hindi. It is your choice. And these are the program about of this course. This is the key features of this program. This is the industry insight and about real life success and failures from top India entrepreneurs. This is a certification of this course. After completion of this course, you have to certificate officially by Startup India and Invested India certification. And language options also the Hindi, English also available. And networking and mentoring, interacting with fellow entrepreneurs in interactive discussion forum. And business plans also there. Get step by step insights in creating a business plan for your venture. The syllabus of this program is this course comes with 4 modules in 4 weeks time. The syllabus is the idea validation, idea identification, and assessments also there. Every module has one assessment. And the finance and legal. In this module we have to see these the three concepts there: building a legal foundation, understanding finance basics, and introduction to business plan. This is the pitching and funding. And come to the learners and learning from. We have to learn, and we will learn from Indian top entrepreneurs in this platform. And concepts and frameworks are designed by industry participants. These are the enquiries from the course. Here, this is the details of this course. And go to some other course. Again, click on learning button. Here you can see all these financial accounting, personal development, confidence, and click on financial accounting. See here, this is not a upgrade platform. It is Udemy platform. It is the world #1 platform. Here we can see, we can see the it is not a free course. It takes 100 rupees to learn, and it gives content and courses. It not gives a downloading videos. It gives only lectures. It has 17 lectures. It takes only 700 rupees to you. It gives a free paid certificate. And go to back page. Here go to another concept, Amazon Web Services, AWS. It is a free course. See here, it is a free course. It is also provided by Udemy, but is not a certificate course. It not gives a free certificates to you. Here you can see the difference between the free course and paid courses. Online video in free courses, video content is available, but certificate of completion, instruction, question answers, and direct messages are not available to you. In paid courses, video content, certificate, question answers, and direct messages also available to you. And these are the other paid courses recommended to you. And get back to our previous page. Here all these courses are there, and go to Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Here, yes, this is the course provided by NPTEL. These are the lectures and modules, and this course is coordinated by IIT Kharagpur. The assessments is their assignments, and not available transcripts. These PDFs are not available. Books also not available. Only this course. And go to some other course. Economics management and entrepreneurship. Here we can see, yeah, books are not available. Transcripts, PDF. Okay. Coordinated by IIT Kharagpur is the lecture 1. So this is the modules of this course. Yeah, this is the process to know the courses and how to enroll the courses first, and how we have to know how to register to that course for enrollment. Now go to that process. Here we can see the register now 2 buttons is there. This is your choice. What you want English, go through the register now English button. If you want Hindi language, go through this link and click on this button. I want English, register, and give your credential here. Give my credentials. Mail ID and password, and click on terms and conditions button and go to sign up button. Sign up here. It's loading. Here the enrolled programs. Even the blog. This is the enrolled program, Startup India Learning Program, overall progress. It will show you how much you completed in this course. Available program is also there. Powered by upgrades only powered only Startup India Learning programs, English or Hindi in available languages. And go to my switch programs also there. Go through that link. Again, it will come same on settings. Yeah, fine. Yeah, upgrade platform only provide this course. And now go to enroll. Batch progress is 19 started tour. If you go to start this course, then click on start tour, and how to start this course curriculum. The course curriculum is a combination of 6 modules, each is specifically focusing on your topic area. Yes, next. Here these are the course modules is divided into different modules, okay, covering a key learning objectives. Then each module contains concepts and example from leading entrepreneurs, right? Yeah, completed 0%. Great. And click on next. Yeah, these are the posts and Answers to upgrades. The upgrade has launches. It's called a program. Not necessary to go to program. These are the courses, and these are the course and the modules of that course. First of all, the Introduction to Entrepreneurs and Program, 21st October 20, the deadline, 35 minutes to 45 minutes, the estimated time. And the module 1, idea identification and assessments, building a legal. These are the modules, and these are the 7 modules. 7th module is optional, it is not necessary to uh, learn, or if you have a time and learn this. And these are the courses, this is the course. This is only the free certificate courses which is provided by Upgrade platform in Startup India website. And check all other e-learning platforms. All you know, the NPTEL is also there, and Udemy also there, and some other. We don't know what e-learning platforms also combined in Startup India. Check it now and see which is certificate and which is not a certificate course. First of all, you have to know first before going to learn the topic. We have to check which is this website gives me a certificate or not. It gives a free courses or not. It gives a paid or not. Check once is free or not, then go to the to start a learn on that e-learning platform and go to home page. This is the progress to is the 0% progress in this course. Recently online forum this week is 373 questions and 308 answers, and participants are 221. Yes, here go to the forum. Yeah, if you want a question, if you type here, otherwise get back to this page. Yes, this is the video to get free certificate from Startup India, and to get free online knowledge from Udemy or NPTEL or some other websites, and not a upgrade e-commerce website, sorry, e-learning website. It some other websites also gives you free certificates to you. I don't know what are they. I'm also new to this course. Before, what I suggest you is, before going to learn, we have to check it once which is a certificate, free certificate or free course, then go to that course. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, give a like and comment below it is nice or not. Thank you for watching. Bye.